Welcome to a sustainable future
in which both people and nature can thrive.
So we began building a new network.
In recent years, we have become used to houses with solar panels on the roof, and electric cars are no exception anymore. People everywhere are realizing that we are moving towards a radically different looking world.
Achieve a sustainable existence on Earth.
The magic of the infinite network, where every species depends on others to survive.
In the coming decades, the proportion of our energy generated renewably will continue to grow.
The idea of a global restoration movement was becoming a reality.
We will be proud to call it our planet.
Why do you lie?
All this deception merely offers a glimmer of hope for humanity. We convince ourselves that we have finally awakened and stopped ravaging the planet. But it's all a lie. Humanity is ruthless. We have wiped out hundreds of animal species, destroyed numerous ecosystems, logging forests, and polluting water and soil. We are a cancerous growth on the Earth's surface. As long as we exist, we won't alter our nature, a nature of cruelty, violence, and domination.
There are no more barriers to cross. All I have in common with the uncontrollable and the insane, the vicious and the evil, all the mayhem I have caused and my utter indifference toward it, I have now surpassed. My pain is constant and sharp, and I do not hope for a better world for anyone. In fact, I want my pain to be inflicted on others.
This planet has died. The human race is killing it. Can't risk the survival of this planet for the sake of one species. If the Earth dies, you die. If you die, the Earth survives.